In the heart of the wild, life follows its own rhythm. Every step here is guided by instinct. But even the strongest can grow weak.
Nature starts healing itself.
Even the wild needs moments of peace. Survival is never easy in the wild. The jungle speaks, and the animal listens. But sometimes, even the strongest need help.
Danger often hides where no one expects it.
Awareness is survival in the wild.
The jungle itself signals something is wrong.
Strength, focus, and resilience. Deep inside the jungle, nature lives in perfect balance.
An unexpected danger puts this life at risk.
Understanding comes before action.
Okay.
The mission begins the moment they see the animal. Deep inside the jungle, every sound tells a story. Every creature here fights to survive, every single day. That's when trained wildlife rescuers step in.
Trained rescuers move silently through nature.